How to hide app in Nova Launcher. Open the Nova Launcher application. Tap on the option App Drawer that you can see on the screen. Scroll down. Under the section for apps, you'll be able to find the option for Hide Apps. You can see over here, this is the Prime feature. In order to hide the applications, you'll have to subscribe to the plans. You'll be able to see the plans like Nova Prime, Nova Plus. Tap on the option Try, follow through the prompts and simply subscribe to these plans. After your subscription is done, what you can do is tap on the option Hide Apps. You'll be able to select the apps that you would like to hide. Follow through the prompts and select those applications. After you do that, the apps that you select to be hidden will be hidden. Like this, you can hide apps in Nova Launcher. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.